What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today was kind of forced my hand a little bit with the weather. We had a lot of rain the past couple of days, so things are a little flooded here around home. So I'm going to take a 2-hour drive with my friend Travis. We're going to go hit a larger river that is supposed to hold wild trout. It is with stock trout as well. Smallmouth is present as well. So that's kind of the plan. The gauges looked okay. I'm hoping the river looks all right. That would suck if we drive 2 hours and it's not okay, but we may end up fishing the river where it's a little bit smaller if we have to. Might hit some tributaries if we need to as well. So I've got some backups. We should be able to make it work. Really looking forward to it. I love the area up here. It's about 2 hours north, like I said, so got a decent drive. It's about 7 o'clock, hoping to get up there by 9:30. I guess the next time you'll see me, I'll be on the water. Got one. Yeah, I think so. See that? Big rainbow. Heck yeah. Hook fell out. It's a decent start. Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, wild rainbows in here or all the rainbows stock?
I think they're stock. That guy definitely was. I think it's mostly if they're wild or browns. There's one. I don't even know if it's a fish. Oh, yeah, it's a fish. It's like barely fighting at first. Smallmouth. That's odd. A little beat up. Oh, got one. It's a big one.
Oh, shit.
Trout. I don't think he's that big, but he felt big in that current.
You don't think it's that big, that's pretty big.
Like, I thought it was a monster at first.
I mean, it's still pretty big.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Hell yeah, dude. That's a nice fish. There's one.
Yeah. Trout?
Not 100% sure. I think it's a trout.
Trout are playing on like smallies.
That's a trout. It's a brookie.
Yeah, dude.
Really pretty one. Heck yeah. I actually didn't know there was brookies in here.
Tiger trout day.
We'll see. Stocked, but pretty fish.
Oh, it's soft?
Yeah. It's got clip fins. One sitting right here.
I feel like they'll hit almost any spot. There's not really. I mean, they'll definitely hang out in the really juicy spots, but.
Yeah. Yeah, they could be anywhere in here. That's why I kind of like these big rivers.
Yeah. The current's like really variable. Like, it's really.
Oh, yep. Where's my net? I got him.
You got it?
Yeah.
I was trying to push it.
That's a brown. Yeah. I think it might be a wild one. Do you have one? Ah. Kind of prefer it when there's little side pockets to fish over like these big deep pools. What's that? Yeah. Looks like there's people swimming up ahead. Oh. Oh man. Felt huge at first. It's a rainbow.
Trout.
Yeah. When he first hit in that current, felt a monster. Stocked bow. There's another one. Decent one, I think. That current's so strong. Got him. Man, these are some lively fish. Come back in before he squirts off here. There he goes. There we go. Fish on. Is this a wild brookie? I think it's a wild brookie. That's so sick. Gotta get down from here. I do not believe he stopped. Buddy. Wild brookie. Going back in here real quick. Yeah. Small. Oh, brown. Yeah. Back in here, a little wild fish it looks like. Super dark. Really cool. Alright guys, well just realized I didn't make an outro for this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super fast water. You only had some places, you know, it's white water and you got to cast into a little pocket and you got maybe 2-3 seconds where that spinner's in the bite zone, and it's crazy when they crash on it. So that was a blast, but what you guys didn't see is we ended up leaving for like 3 or 4 hours in the middle of the day to go to the to an upper section that was a lot smaller. Just wasn't as good, so didn't throw that in the video. But again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SC Outdoors.